Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your password on your Windows 11 computer. So assuming you are already created a password and you just want to change it, I show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select accounts. On right side select sign in options. Under way to sign in, you can able to see the password option over here. Sign in with your account's password. Click on this drop down and select change option, and you just need to type the current password guys. Now type your current password and select next, and now you just need to type your new password over here and confirm the same password over here, and you can type a hint to find your password, and after typing it select next to continue this process guys. The password will be changed after doing it. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.